Good morning, freedom fighters. Just so beautiful right now. No chemtrails. Beautiful scenery. We're baiting gear. I just want to show you the beauty that I'm witnessing. Really bright in this direction. No chemtrails. I don't know how long that's gonna last. Beautiful sky. Usually when there's no chemtrail, and it won't be long, you'll see one. Some people's got some beautiful summer houses here. I don't think anybody lives in here in the wintertime. But incredible homes. But good morning to everybody. Good day, good evening, and good night. We're all on different time zones. I'm not even sure what time it is here. Probably about 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. It is baiting gear where it's pretty. And we're going to go catch some halibut. It's supposed to blow a little bit today, so we're just going to hang out here. Commercial fishermen standing by.